For this activity, you need two papers, two square paper of any color. Color should be different. Fevicol, scale and scissor. Okay. So first I cut square of green paper. Okay. Then you should cut square of orange paper also. Then mark from one edge to 1 centimeter. You can use pen or pencil for this. I use color pencil here to mark this. So if you check, I am marking till 1 centimeter. Okay, just mark for 1 centimeter over here. Then mark 1 centimeter from this edge also, so that you can make straight lines. Okay, just draw 1 centimeter lines over here. We are doing this because we need strips of this paper, strips of 1 centimeter line. Okay, so like this you have to draw the line. After finishing this line drawing, just cut the strips. Cut the strips of these papers. So strips are like this. Okay, so cut the whole paper strips here. Then take another color paper. On this paper also you have to mark 1 centimeter from this edge. First start writing from this side. One centimeter. I mark each for this whole paper. So I finish your marking. Then what you have to do, you just have to fold this paper from the center. As I shown you, fold this paper, just make fold, okay, from the center. And after that your marking is here. If you are able to see, my markings are here. Okay, then make one line, horizontal line from here. Okay, are you able to see the horizontal line? Then just draw this vertical line where we mark 1 centimeter. Okay, so I am just marking it to 1 centimeter. So here I completed this lining. If you are able to see it, these are linings of 1 centimeter and one horizontal line is there which I draw. So what you have to do, you have to draw this line. I am again explaining you procedure. Just fold this square paper, mark horizontal line, mark 1 centimeter points over here or here and just join that point. So now what you have to do, you have to just cut this paper till horizontal line. Okay, so till horizontal line. If you see, I cut till here. You are not supposed to be cut whole paper. Okay, so cut this, cut from all lines. So cut, again cut, cut all these. So continue your cutting till last line. You have to continue this cutting. So here I finish my cutting. Okay, so strips are cutted. If you see, all strips are cutted. Okay, so open this paper again. Okay, if I open it, my all strips are like this. Okay, so just make this paper straight. Now what is our next strip? Take these strips. Here I took orange color strip. Okay, so just take first strip and from upside, from first, then over down, I just need to put these strips like this. Okay, okay, so what I am doing, I am just pushing these strips forward. Over down, and just pulling this over here. Just over and down. Here I finish. Then I just push it towards here till end. Okay. Then take Fevicol. Just stick this strip. Stick this strip over here. Okay, and just here also you have to stick this strip. Here also I am going to put some Fevicol and just strip it. Now again you have to do this for second strip, but now here you take this over the green paper. Now for second strip you have to do it for alternate. Now here we have taken orange strip up, so let it be down, then up, down, alternate should be there. Okay, then it should be continue like first one. Make sure that you are doing it properly. नो मैटर कि फर्स्ट वाला स्ट्रिप अगर आपका थोड़ा सा हिल रहा है, बिकॉज हमने उसको ड्राई होने नहीं दिया है आफ्टर स्टिकिंग, सो इट्स ओके, नॉट टू वरी. Just finish it with alternate. Here I finish it. Okay, now again you have to just move it to upside. So just move it to upside till this strips come here. Okay, once you fix it, adjust it before you stick this. So I'll stick here first upside so that it's easy for me to stick other side. Okay, now stick this end also. Same way you have to take another strip. Okay, here I cut it. So many strips are here, so let's continue with these strips. So ऐसे ही आपको लास्ट स्ट्रिप तक करना है. ये मेरी लास्ट स्ट्रिप है which I am going to insert. थोड़ा सा आपको आराम से काम करना होगा while you are inserting your last strip. So you have to continue this last strip like this. Okay, last strip insert करने में it may take time for you. Okay, so like this you have to insert your last strip. I stick over here. जैसे कि हमने पहले we stick all these strips over the end, we have to stick this also. Okay, after this just do one thing. Whatever strips are extra, if you see here, some strips are extra, right? They are coming out from this square, green square. Just cut it. Okay, okay, so same way from this side also extra, cut it. Okay, so now do one thing. I have taken some strips of other color paper, okay, to make border for this. So it will look very nice after making border. Okay, in your drawing also, if you make border for your picture, it will look very nice, right? Same way I'll just stick all these sides. Okay, so I'll just stick Fevicol here and just stick this strip to this end. Okay, and cut it over here, and same way I'll just stick these strips from all sides. So here I stick this paper from all borders. Okay, so now our this chatai is ready. Okay, look at this. This is looking so nice. Okay, same way, if you have raw thread at your home, you can do same activity with raw thread also. Okay, don't go outside. If you have available at home, you can do it. Okay, if you see orange strips are here coming out, so I'll just cut it. If you see, our chatai is ready and it's looking so nice. You can choose any colors for this. Whatever material you have available at your home, you can take that material. If nothing at your home, just take plain papers, color it with crayons, with watercolor, whatever color you have with you. Just color that plain papers and make strips of that paper, and using that paper you can make this chatai. Okay, then I just push it first and make strips of that paper, and using that paper you can make this chatai. Okay, what you have to do, you have to complete this chatai and make sure that you will take selfie with this chatai and send it to me. You have to send with your name, standard, division to school's mail ID. Again I am repeating, you have to send it on school's mail ID. You are not supposed to be send me through WhatsApp. You have to click selfie and send it to school's mail ID. Okay.